The lines x plus 3 by minus 3, y minus 1 by 1, z minus 5 by 5, and x plus 1 by minus 1, y minus 2 by 2, and z minus 5 by 4 coplanar. So what is the condition for two lines are coplanar? You can take the condition. Two lines x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1, x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by z minus z2 by c2 are coplanar if det of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 equal to 0. You have to prove it. So if the condition is this is determinant is 0, then they are coplanar. Otherwise, they are non-coplanar. So now let us take the given lines. So given lines are this one. And this we can write minus of minus 1 by minus 1 equal to y minus 2 by 2 equal to z minus 5 by 5. So what a point on the first line? You can take point on the first line. A you can take minus 3, 1, 5. And parallel vector drs. So that is you can take b1 bar minus 3, 1, 5. Your point and dr same only. Both are coincident here. It will happen sometimes. So now you can take point on second line minus 1 to 5, and drs will be b2 bar equal to minus 1 to 5. Point and drs are same. Okay, so both are coincident here. Okay, doesn't matter. So now what is condition for coplanar? Condition for coplanar is modulus of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 equal to 0. So what is x2 minus x1? So x2 minus x1. Now you take LHS. LHS is what? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. So x2 minus x1. So previous one points you can write once. Minus 3 1 5 point minus 1 2 5. Points and drs are same here. X2 minus x1. So minus 1 minus 1. This is x2 y2 z2 x1 y1 z1. X2 minus x1, that is, so 2 2 minus 1 1, and this is 5 5 minus 5 0. Next, so minus 3 1 5 minus 1 2 5. Let us find the value of determinant. Determinant you have to put 0. 2 into 5 minus 10 minus 1 into minus 15 plus 5. Anyhow, last term 0. This is 2 into minus 5 minus 10 plus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, the given lines are coplanar. What you can say? Given lines are coplanar. That implies given lines are coplanar. That is the solution for this one only. So just let us remember from the lines, first line point x1 y1 z1, second line so x2 y2 z2, and drs you can take. Okay, then you can prove that det equal to 0. That is nothing but x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. So prove this determinant 0. Therefore, given lines are coplanar only.